From California, Mr. Peters is recognized for 3 minutes.
I thank the gentleman, and thank you, Mr. Chairman. The proponents of this bill are arguing in part that EPA's plan to require carbon pollution controls under Section 111 is going to hurt electric utilities. But it was just last month in the Utility Air Regulation Group versus EPA case that those same leading utilities argued to the Supreme Court that if EPA intends to address climate carbon pollution, it should act under Section 111, which is what this bill would prevent EPA from doing. The Utility Air Regulatory Group represents about 60 utilities, from Duke Energy to the Southern Company to First Energy to the Salt River Project. And on February 24th, they told the Supreme Court that this was the appropriate way for EPA to address carbon pollution from utilities under Section 111. That's exactly what the EPA would do if it were not for this law. Now, I know there may be some ideological desire to deny climate change and simply hope that the issue goes away, but that's not going to happen. More fundamentally, what we're getting caught up today in is this false choice that you again hear over and over again, that you have to choose on one hand between a healthy environment and on the other hand a prosperous economy. Americans deserve nothing less than both. And we have to pay attention to this. And I just offer finally comments from some of our leading health organizations: the American Academy of Pediatrics, the American College of Preventive Medicine, the American Lung Association, the American Public Health Association, and others, who point out that cleaning up carbon pollution and other greenhouse gases saves lives. Researchers have found that the efforts enacted now to reduce greenhouse gases, including carbon pollution, from all sources in the United States would prevent more than 16,000 premature deaths by 2030. The lives saved are a result of the reduction in ozone and particulate-forming pollution that is also reduced as carbon is reduced. Cleaning up carbon pollution from power plants is essential to saving those lives. We know that that in turn will save money. So it's important to remember too the economic effect of unregulated carbon does not just extend to the climate, but also to the byproducts of clean air that come and help our economy as well, help people be healthy, and help them ultimately contribute to the economy. So with that, Mr. Chairman, I yield back.